Hello guys and welcome to a more slightly different video today, and we're going to be taking a look at a car. I know this is a railway channel, but this is railway themed because it is Oxford Diecast and this is a 00 gauge car. But we're specifically looking at this because this is a model of vehicle that I actually own personally. It is a Mk1 Mazda MX-5 and it is a new release by Oxford Diecast. So I thought we'll do a short video having a look at it and seeing what it's like. Just because, why not? It's something that's still connected with the channel, so might as well have a look at it. And I bought this from Mk1 Model Centre, and yeah, it's a great little thing. So we're gonna have a look at it in detail and just see what it's like. So let's have a look. So it was just a usual Oxford Diecast box. You can just see underneath what it says on the barcode there. So it says Mazda MX-5 Mark 1, open, classic red. So open being it's got the roof down, and classic red is the colour, which is the actual colour of my very car as well. And you can see you're in this sort of like enclosed case. So you can actually keep your cars like this. If you wanted to get like a display case with models in, you could have them all in their little things and have a massive collection like that. I bought this to put on the low loader on the Ruston as a little channel mascot because it's quite cool, being a car that I actually personally own. But I'll get into this off camera and then I will be with you in 2 clicks. So I have had this MX-5 out previously, so that's why it is not screwed in, but usually they are screwed in. I like how it sort of flaps up, that's quite cool. That's cool. But it does come off entirely if you wanted it to. So that is also an option. You can see it is absolutely tiny. But we'll just take them out. There we go. And pop that back down. Some boxes are a nightmare. And pop that back. Yeah, the wind and the rain outside is horrendous. I don't know why. So I got this on Christmas Day. So by the time this video goes out, that was a while ago. But I just thought we could kick off New Year with some more slightly different videos showing an Oxford Diecast 00 gauge car, and it is tiny. This is a UK spec MX-5, so it's got the long plate at the back. I've had mine done to a square plate, like an import, but yeah, I can tell you this is very much like an MX-5. Obviously, I own one, so I would know what an MX-5 looks like, but this is genuinely really close. Well, it's very accurate. The white seats are a bit of an odd one. I wonder if the car that they actually used for photographing had white seats, because they don't normally have white seats in them, I don't think, but this is very cool. The actual number plate there, H109XGH, is actually from an actual MX-5 that is on the road in the United Kingdom, and it's taxed and MOT, which means it is on the road. So I'm going to keep a lookout for it and say hello if I see him out and about. But you can see it's got the daisy alloy wheels, which are replicated really nicely. Nice little exhaust tip there. It's a standard exhaust tip, it's nothing crazy obviously. It's going off a stock one. It says Oxford at the bottom. But it's really well detailed. So you've obviously got all the lights. These are like the indicators, these little silver ones at the front. And then your main lights are the pop-up headlamps, which is one of the standout features of the Mark 1 MX-5. You have your little indicator light picked out nicely on the side as well, and the door handles, which are silver in real life and look fantastic. They're just a little small painted line on this, because obviously it is 1:76 scale, so it is 76 times smaller than what is actually quite a small car in real life. Sills are painted black. That is a factory option and looks fantastic. Mine are also black on the MX-5, so that's pretty cool. And then you've got that nice line all the way across the door from the front of the car all the way across the side, which is just a nice standout feature. It goes across the back bumper as well. It goes all the way around the car. You have the lights picked out really nicely, even the badges, which don't think will be legible. However, you have MX-5 on the left hand side and Mazda on the right hand side. It might be the other way around, I can't remember for sure, because I've had mine removed as I've got a import style plate on the back, so panel, so yeah, I can't remember 100%, but anyway, so yeah, it looks fantastic. I absolutely love this thing. I will get my other Oxford diecast model that I have bought. There's a couple that I've managed to get hold of. I don't know how, but I did buy another one, and I'll grab that for you now. So the other one I have is this gorgeous Land Rover Series 1, something like that. Old Land Rover anyway, which I bought from Swindon Railway Museum. And you can see, look how tiny the MX-5 is. I mean, this is small. This is tiny. But the MX-5 is just unbelievably small. So you can see how small an MX-5 is in real life. You are very, very tiny. But I do adore these little things. I might make a little collection of them, to be honest, and get some other cars that just ones I want for the railway, just to make it look exactly how I want it. But yeah, that's the MX-5 by Oxford Diecast. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you very soon for some more videos. Goodbye.